The MX510 mouse and its cousin models are not only durable, but also favorites among many PC users. I've had this one for about 20 years, and yesterday the wheel gave out, more particularly the wheel up function. Let's use a Phillips on the bottom 3 screws. As you probably noticed, the wheel fell out immediately because the retaining spring came unclipped. This is the first time I've ever opened this mouse up, so there's quite a bit of oil and debris that deserves a cleanup using a toothbrush and cotton swab. Soaked in 91% isopropyl alcohol, these instruments can really clean things nicely. I want to show you a close-up of how to reinstall the wheel. Notice the left spring ends point downward to fit around their attachment for proper resistance. Before putting it back together, I'll spray it with a bit of silicone for lubrication. Lastly, let's screw it into place. Now, bringing it over to the PC, we find it's fully functional again. Hey, thank you for watching.